I think there's just a bunch of pro-cop people and some fake-ass, I don't know, whoever. There's Rajan's mom. She's here for justice. Hey, you ready? He's gonna come. We're gonna take him out the back. One of the two. Where's he at? Where's he at? Yeah, I haven't seen his counsel come out. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go sit over there. I'm gonna go sit closer, just in case they go out the back. Some of them have cushions, some of them don't. What's the deal here? What's the deal? He's a cop. He said that it's sad to say, but the cop didn't have the right to shoot him under the law. Because he wasn't in any danger.
Sure.
I think there's still people in there. I'm just going to get a picture of this place so we can meet his ass. So we can let people know what he looks like. In a suit. They look different in the uniform, you know? I don't see
Sorry,
them.
can I take pictures?
Yeah, you can. Look, you see the size of that camera right there? See the size of that camera right there?
They don't have a problem with that camera, but they have an issue with your camera.
I'm sure they do. That's their problem. That's not my problem.
He says no video recording.
In the courtroom.
In the courtroom.
In the courtroom.
They're waiting for their
everyone's filming out
top
here.
buddy to get out of here.
Yeah, I don't know where he's at.
I'm standing right
So they're going to come to 12:45. We might be able to get back in there. There was actually room over there because not everybody showed back up, but they had their purses and laptops.
They need to move that shit.
How does that work? Like, would you leave your laptop in there? Shit, I'm not leaving my laptop nowhere. It's got my data. But there's the lawyers.
He might put him.
I don't know.
He'll be coming out.
He'll be coming out, I feel like.
Where is he at?
I don't know. There's him. There's her. There's the attorneys. Yeah, it's the attorneys. She looks fun. Is she trans? She walks trans. Part of the field. That lady?
Over here.
Oh, that's the lawyer. Her? Okay.
That's lawyers. That's it for him?
Yeah, that's lawyers. 299th District Court. I mean, it's like 299 beers on a wall. After you grab one, it can't be 300. No, is that a song?
Probably in that room over there.
Where's that dirty ass cop at?
Where's Daniel?
Dirty ass cop?
Daniel Sanchez.
Where's he at?
Everybody's waiting for a picture.
Everybody wants to see it. She got a big camera. She's ready. They got their camera rolling. I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, they're ready
I
to
don't know
roll.
what the heck they're doing.
He's a lawyer, too, right? I recognize him, too.
Looks kind of familiar. Oh.
Some of these lawyers do. Huh?
That guy looks familiar. Is he on Sesame
Hey.
Street?
Hey,
Hey, how's it going? Good. Is Sanchez still in there? When's he coming out?
Don't know.
Also, you moved over to Austin
Statesman, yeah.
Yeah, the paywall. We never read y'all.
I can't even go up in there because they want you to pay like how much? I forgot.
I told you I had a script.
99 cents for 6 months, dude.
6
Really?
months? Oh.
One time, limited time offer.
Yeah. They still do print?
Yeah?
Okay.
I don't know where you buy it, but yeah.
Oh.
Subscribe, I guess. I don't know.
We still have a newspaper too.
Did you hear about the Alejandro Gaitan, APD officer?
Who?
He pled guilty.
Excessive force
Excessive
and
force. So there was three this
officers.
week. There was 3 different cop trials in here, and one of them already pled guilty. Then you got Carl Kreitzer starts tomorrow.
Oh,
At Blaze. So they're gonna both for
And then there's this
For murder trials.
Daniel
Yeah.
Sanchez,
So that's gonna be the Silva, right?
the
Yeah.
Silva's case.
And then this is Moon Singh.
Moonsing.
I got them all mixed up this morning. But yeah, I woke up on the wrong side.
Gaitan pled guilty.
Yeah, apparently.
Gaitan, yeah.
We had another sergeant that pled guilty to like 3 counts of official oppression.
Brian Yarder.
Sergeant Brian Yarder, he's been targeting me. I keep telling you, like, he had arrested me for filming.
These
Really?
cops
Yeah.
are just,
Like these cops are.
He pled
disgusting.
as well?
He pled, and they gave him probation.
Oh.
So he beat people up. He fucked people up. That's aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Like that's what that is. I don't understand how.
What did he
DA
plead to?
can't. Official oppression and some minor assault, like a misdemeanor.
there was like three or
Like he
2 or 3
hospitalized people.
Yeah, he did.
But it's cool. Well, at least we got rid of them, is what I'm saying.
They fired. He fired him.
Yeah. There you go. You didn't get your shot, Austin.
I think I got one.
Yeah. You didn't get your shot, Austin. Go get it. Maybe I get assaulted. I like being assaulted. It's all out of fun.
You already been assaulted by an officer here. It ain't
Wow. But then they whine about me because they're so alpha.
Yeah, there's
But yeah, I thought about it. You got it yet? Retinol in there.
like that.
If you turn your back to it, they get retinol scan, but the retinol is fine. Going down just like the whole system.
And eventually we'll go down.
Going down to 4.9. Sorry, I thought I recognized it.
No, just. Or 5.
Send this to you.
He's definitely embarrassment to the community.
Michael
Tell
Floyd,
him.
yeah.
Down.
Some people look at it, he works on it.
Down.
I mean, I got a grapefruit and garlic to eat, but if you want to, I probably not.
Tacos here.
That's just gonna fuck it up.
Oh, yeah. That's not working.
Going down.
Uh-oh, it's going down like the economy, it's there. Good.
Oh, it's going
Going
down.
down like the government shutdown.
There's a.
Is this part of the
outlook
shutdown?
like a glitch.
It looks like you should be in the button.
Come on, let us out
It's
here.
down.
Oh, no, I see
No.
those stripes just flashing.
Is it stuck?
Well, they weren't now. I don't
This
know.
elevator.
See, it's flashing right now.
What's that mean?
It's, I don't know, there's
I'm
something.
getting off this
Please
bullshit.
stand clear of the closing door.
Okay, we are.
Oh, we got
I don't trust
instructions.
this light of this.
Which judge? What are you talking about? So if I'd have checked the... What are you talking about? So if I'd have checked the docket, you gonna donut from these clowns?
The, what's his name? Danny Manuel.
I might have to like... Got any more of these injustice things?
We have
Pumpkin muffin.
muffin, yeah.
Man, it's been tight up.
You check out the services available.
Yeah, you can still learn about all the resources in the community, even if you don't.
I mean, I looked at the sponsors. That told me a whole lot about the injustice that they're peddling.
Okay, that's fine.
Whatever.
Defend your
New entry? Is that like when the cops hit,
new entry.
they've hit the 4th and 5th time? New entry hold?
Yeah, I'm getting out of actually. Well, I did. I mean, I painted. I did all these on man. I put the
money to your attorney, the way y'all are doing business, like there's 24 hours in the law to make a contact your client. I got left in jail as a member of the press, and the lawyers wouldn't take my call. Albert Machado, for months he wouldn't take my call. It took him months. They had 24 hours. Then the next lawyer that I fired him got another lawyer, and Richard Gentry, again, didn't contact. And I have a third lawyer now, Michael Richards, and none of them contacted me in the legal stuff.
How are you? I'm Katie Jo. I just overheard. So I help supervise the lawyers. So it sounds like you have a concern about your attorney?
The attorneys at the public library. So they're telling me that they are overburdened, that they can't even do Richards, Michael, and Michael Richards.
Okay, let's do this. Can I get your information and then I'll follow up with you on
It's not just
email?
him, it's Albert Machado, it's Richard Gentry, and it's them telling me that they're overburdened, that they can't do their constitutional duty. Get people even out of jail when they're on bond, and then when we need them, like, it's triage, right? Just like with the courts, the people in jail take priority, which is fine, but there's just too many, they're taking too many cases,
What, is
making
there
too much
something I
money.
can help you with right now today? Because I can't solve that problem, but is there something
I
right
want
now
to solve that problem.
Yeah,
because
that's a
I'm worried about my brothers and
larger,
sisters
we're
in
all
jail.
trying to solve it. That is a larger issue. There's just not enough defense attorneys in the state, or public defender's office takes less than, I understand, I'm going to tell you,
My friend works for the public.
the public defender's office takes less than 20% of the cases. They're funding to take 30% of the cases. If the public defender's office wanted to take more, that would alleviate the burden on the private bar, but they're not willing to do that. So there are a lot of like things at play here. So our lawyers, the clients have to have an attorney, and there's nothing we can do
We
about.
can't get out of jail, and that's
And
that's
we have to give them an
constitutional.
attorney. I understand, but we
And
have
so
to give
y'all
them an
swear in
attorney.
all of the Constitution, just like everyone in this building.
Yeah.
And like it's a problem.
Yeah.
How do you fix it?
Yeah.
I mean, the only thing I know is to file a complaint, bar grievances. I don't
The
know what
thing
to
is,
do.
there's just not enough lawyers, like in general. So like it's a problem across the
Pay from law
state.
school. I'll go be a lawyer.
Yeah, I
I'll be a
would.
better lawyer. I'll be Adam, the next Adam
I wish
Repost
it was
around
that
here, not the
easy.
next
Oh,
Paul
Adam was
Quincy.
not a lawyer that I would hire, but
Yeah, he's crazy. I'm crazy too.
yeah. Well, if you want to give me your information, I can try to help you with like a certain issue.
Julian Reyes with the challenge.
I don't have a. Do you have a card on you?
No, they don't give me a free card anymore.
Here, yeah.
I can write stuff down.
Here, I'll get it.
But I'll probably mark it spam.
Do you have a card?
This guy? Yeah, takes it out.
They're there. Feel free to talk to them.
Sure.
Here, if you want to write down your information, if you give me your email address, I can shoot you an email.
So yeah, we started department.
Are there more people over there?
Yeah, there's a bunch of agencies, so feel free. I'm sure they would love to hear, what's working and what's not. People always appreciate feedback.
Yeah, I haven't had much contact. I've had a little contact from this lawyer, but it took him months to get all of it. That's the thing. Well, no, it's about a month, I
That's no
think.
good. So definitely.
And it's typical, is what I'm told. And so I'm worried about the injustices,
that's
not
not
just me. Not just, no, the Machado, Albert Machado took 3 months to let me in jail and would return phone calls from the inside or the outside. And it cost my mom money to get me out of jail. Simple.
Yeah. Well, no, I appreciate the feedback. We do what we can to help enhance the quality of representation.
And ask the ALG, I've been so hard to do, the NLG, I've been speaking to lawyers because I just talked to a lawyer yesterday, a friend of mine, said that they don't care, the lawyers just need money, that they don't care about justice at all.
Well, they only get money if they work. So it's kind of, people misunderstand that.
He said that he can't do like the civil rights stuff, that like he can't do civil rights because it doesn't pay enough.
Yeah.
So,
It's hard to have a civil rights action.
I've done it many times and won, so I don't know. I'm the one winning.
Yeah.
I'm the one doing the least accountability.
You're not going to be helping the people. So why you go to lawyers law school?
That's not why they go to law school. Because their mom and dad told them, go be a lawyer, doctor, or dentist.
Well, that's
Go
not
make
why I
money.
went to law school. I went to law school to help people. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I hope I'm going to help you. So
All right, well, I hope you can help me. What's
all
your
right.
name?
I'm Katie Jo. Let's see. Yeah, nice to meet
My
you.
friend's name is Carly Jo.
Oh, nice.
She's really nice.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
All right. There's sunrise. There's Pastor Mark.
From 8 to 8, and the coolest thing is this pod is now moving to the community center, and an individual can walk inside. back to us, and then all these fees that stack up, and we will help you and support you in paying that to the landlord, and then you got food over there. Please, and the way that's market right now is in Austin. It's one of the largest in terms of inventory. So first month, second month for your rent. So we pay that. You're working, like you're not paying rent until month like 2 or 3. So many people. And our mobile phone, what you have to do is go to sunsunrise.org, and if you see somebody on the side of the road, you can go fill out a little section, and we have a team that will go out and provide all the services. So at this address is only 40% of our services. Right now, we have a housing program, the Wayfinder, hotline team, our mobile team. We have a rapid rehousing and permanent supportive housing, so we have a team that supports 60 individuals per house. Now we've expanded so much that
So if you see a homeless person, you can narc on the homeless right there. I like that.
So a lot of city
Go to
contracts.
sunrise.com and send them. .org.
County funding?
Yeah.
Tell me the other day.
He's always usually on site work.
As well.
Okay.
The internet.
This is Sunrise. So if you call this, you can homeless out to the church right here. Sunrise.org.
These are fun. These are good stickers.
Oh yeah, I didn't get the stickers, but I got those hotline. I'm gonna test the hotline. We do mutual aid, and we've been sending people a hotline. I know it's not 24 hours though, right?
8 to 8. 8 to 8. I have some in my car. Take this. Yeah. So. And then like training.
So we're gonna connect directly with people and send them to you.
I go to Sunrise all the time.
Yeah, and then this picture, this is the pod. This is a privacy pod that's at Trinity.
In the middle of the.
So like when you walk, it's right to the right, and then it's the only location where you press the button. So he's actually talking. Like there's a tablet, and he's talking like a Zoom call with our hotline. When you call this, you're talking on the phone. This gives an opportunity for someone who doesn't have a phone and needs privacy to do a conversation. So when you're doing a coordinated assessment, you're like sitting across from somebody on the side.
I go to Sunrise for map cards and stuff.
Yeah. So feel free to take as many cards as you wish. Also these, we love you guys. You do
We
great
just want to
work.
get them into people's hands. They're not going to want a lot of paperwork.
Yeah, these are
In my
great.
opinion, I write a bunch of stuff, and I think a lot
Yeah,
of it is
no,
trash.
I've known you,
Julian, Lizard King.
listen, I've known you for a long time.
I miss Dante. He was the best. I know he's training and stuff, but Dante was the best.
You can take as many. And then this is really important. Like, so we receive mail for over 9,000 people.
Wow.
So if anybody you run across needs like a vital document, not your like junk mail, you just sit down Sunrise, you put your name, you get this address
Social
in,
Security or
you get Social Security, you get your free benefits, anything vital.
I got friends that need my ID.
Yeah.
An ID. I got a veteran friend.
So Trinity does like the state IDs. We'll do like now with Clarity, like we'll do a picture ID. Yeah, like an HMIS, which is now Clarity.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the system changed.
It's evil.
Clarity has been
It commodifies homeless people,
And-
that's
and
what we're doing
Clarity's
with
been a
front
s-
steps, and that's what happened with Urban Alchemy. Is they were embezzling funds using HMIS,
well, can't speak to the investment.
but they were never charged. But if
know.
I steal from you, I'm going to go to jail, am I not? It's white collar crime.
There was a lot of. You can take a.
Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Yeah, you too. George, right?
I know you're good for it.
I'm set for trial. Are you in my trial?
This is just all of our services.
This thing here?
The hotline.
Oh, Jared. Oh, yeah, I was wondering how he's doing. Okay. All right, cool. Take it easy.
So like, if you're passing by and you know that there's someone sleeping on a corner, you just go on a computer or phone, type it in, and then on mobile team, we'll go to that person, and the power of Sunrise will come to that person. So if they need a bus pass, they need food, they need clothing, coordinated assessment, we come to them. So our mobile team right now is like almost like the, not to toot our own horn, but it's like the gold standard of what is happening in Austin.
I got some ideas for trash pickup. I don't know who to talk to, but I saw y'all had a guy with a little cart.
So we started a year ago. We started the ambassador program.
Okay.
So what we're doing is for people who are experiencing homelessness, we're providing like it used to be cash, now it's I believe checks. But either way, you're getting paid a very reasonable pay for the day. $4 a day. And it was our way of giving back to the community since we're getting back to the community. So the individuals are doing like a big rectangle around Sunrise. They're picking up trash. But also, because they're the individuals who are sleeping on the streets themselves, to hear from somebody who walks in their shoes to be like, hey, you know, it is against city law, it is against state law, this area is under
both under unconstitutional against human rights law.
I
The
agree
law's
with
not
you.
clear on
I
it.
agree with you. But like they will tell someone like, hey, this area is scrutinized. Like, it's best for you to like
To go where?
There's
nowhere
at least more prone to probably like if the police is orders to stand back. Do you have trash that you have amassed overnight? Like they help us on campus. All the donations that we have on site. And those, we have anywhere from 2 to 4 individuals hired at a time. But if people are looking for meaningful work, they can come and talk to our operations coordinator. Because sometimes there are openings. Just from the nature of sometimes people come and go.
I wanted to say too, like a new using that.
The school doesn't like it. The community free. It just depends.
Trying to get a house?
And you know the routine, you know. Those are over, they'll go over there, or they just get a sense of. Also, there are a lot of people who are like, I don't want to necessarily be in your yard, but I feel more safe over at Charlie Center or indoors at Trinity Center. Like people have their own way of how they want to function.
And what Captain Paxton and the neighborhood around there saying, oh, every homeless person's doing drugs. Now,
Yeah, so he said all of that.
Every homeless person's doing
No.
Thing.